Welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. I am Sam.
I'm Emmie.
And today we're gonna draw
A tambourine!
Let's go!
Okay, it's a cartoon tambourine. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the drum head. So we're gonna do a circle. Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyes, So we're gonna do two big circles, but like medium circles.
Like
and we're
this?
gonna do a big circle and a little circle under on the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna color in, but not the circle over here. Okay, so now if you want it to be a girl, you can use the eyelashes, and so you do a little line and a big line. So you.
Oh, too late. It will be a girl too.
Yeah, you choose. If you don't, you can just don't put it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the nose. So you're gonna do a circle. Now the mouth, so we're just gonna do a U.
Like a smiley, okay?
Yeah, and we're gonna do two little lines on the side if you want it.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the frame. So we're gonna do a circle around the drum head. And now we're gonna do the zills around. So zills are
So yeah, it's a pair of small metal jingles all around.
Yeah, and there's two together. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna do rainbow lines.
So zills, yeah, it's this.
Yeah, we're gonna do rainbow lines to do them. We're just seeing the side because the other part to make the circle is
It's hidden, yeah, under the drum head. Okay.
Yeah.
How many do you do?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll go with 5.
I'm just doing how many of them. Okay. Okay, so he's gonna have arms. So for his arm, we're gonna do simple arms. So if you want him to do like this, you can put a little bit diagonal line, and then a diagonal line.
Okay, really
one
simple
in the
fingers.
middle, yeah, and
Yeah,
then
okay,
a
I like
diagonal
that.
line. The same thing on the other side. And for the foot and the legs, we're gonna do one a little bit. It's a little bit diagonal. And another one. And then we're gonna do shoes. So we're gonna do one line here. And one little bit diagonal line. And then another line and a little round thing. And then it's gonna go up a little bit. The same thing on the other side. Up, up, up. And so we're gonna do the strand of hair.
Yes.
So it's like we're gonna do a little curved line a little bit. And then we're gonna do like this, like a spiral. Okay, now let's color it.
No, the music notes.
Oh yeah, maybe good idea. So, one circle, you color it in. Then a little straight line. And I'm gonna do a little bit pretty, so I'm gonna do a little bit like a spiral, but starting by a spiral, and then the same thing on the other side. And then we're gonna do another line and a circle. If you want to do two, I'm gonna do two, so, but it's gonna be hard because it's very big. Another spiral, and a line, and a circle. I'm gonna do some all around. J'en fais avec 3. T'as vu? Okay. So now we're gonna color it this time.
Okay, so what are the colors?
So
For the frame, we go with red.
yeah, so we're gonna start with the red. Red.
For me,
Yeah.
thank you.
So for the shoes, we choose different colors. So he chose like orange, yellow.
Okay, yeah, I like the orange shoes.
And I choose purple.
Purple. And
But light
these, we're gonna color them in gray.
Gray.
Right? Okay. Okay, good. So let's fast forward.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have beautiful drawing, but we have to
Sign it.
sign it
Like this.
and put the year.
Yeah.
So that's a good souvenir for when you will be a grown-up.
Yeah.
Really, really beautiful. Ta-da! A nice tambourine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We would love you to share your drawings by using the hashtag #DrawWithUs on any social networks you use. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.